How to install bathroom floor tiles step by step. Perfect ceramic tile installation guide. Welcome to the channel. Here you'll find real, practical tutorials on ceramic, porcelain, and marble installation with clean, professional results. Your support means a lot, so feel free to like, comment, and share your thoughts. All feedback is welcome. Questions, suggestions, and even constructive criticism help improve the content and make it more useful for everyone. Tell me what you'd like to see next. This video shows a complete, step-by-step method for installing bathroom floor tiles with a clean, level, and professional finish. It begins with preparing the surface by removing dust, debris, and any weak spots, then checking levels to ensure a solid and even base. Proper preparation is essential to prevent future problems such as tile movement or uneven surfaces. Next, the layout process is demonstrated, including how to plan tile positioning, mark reference lines, and start from the correct to maintain symmetry and avoid small or awkward cuts along the edges. Accurate measuring and planning help achieve a balanced and visually appealing result. The video then covers mixing and applying tile adhesive correctly, spreading it evenly using the right technique to ensure strong bonding. You'll see how to place each tile carefully, press it into position, and maintain consistent spacing using spacers for straight and uniform joints. Techniques for checking alignment and level during installation are also highlighted to guarantee a smooth surface. Cutting tiles to fit edges, corners, and around obstacles is explained using practical methods that reduce breakage and improve precision. The process focuses on achieving clean cuts that blend perfectly with the overall design of the floor. After installation, the video shows how to apply grout properly, fill joints evenly, and clean excess material without damaging the tiles. Finishing touches are demonstrated to enhance the final appearance, including smoothing joints and ensuring a neat and polished look. Throughout the process, useful tips and common mistakes are shared to help improve efficiency and avoid errors. This method ensures durability, water resistance, and a professional finish suitable for any bathroom floor project.